So Kindle Vella is now a thing and is basically like Wattpad for Amazon. There is already some controversy around it as Amazon has a habit of upsetting the market, but there are some pros that may still make Kindle Vella a viable option for aspiring authors. Particularly right now, the pro is that it's new, it's brand new, and that means less competition to get an audience. If you can manage to build up a good readership, the opportunities will come from there. Also, who knows what publishers will be lurking around there trying to find fresh new voices. This could be a good opportunity to at least get noticed. My first tip to getting started on Kindle Vella is estimating a word count. There will be an in-app currency called a token, and word on the street is that one token will get a reader 100 words of content. This means that the longer your book is, the less affordable it's going to be for your reader. Estimating a word count also gives you, the author, a ballpark figure of what you stand to make going in. My second tip is to plot your full novel. Yes, like Wattpad, Kindle Vella will be geared towards pantsers who write the story as they go. But what you don't want to do is end up with a chaotic mess of a story. Plotting keeps you on track so the details of your story are consistent and the events of your story will line up. Directly before writing the next episode or chapter, reread your plot outline and also your previous chapter. Keep a list of characters and setting details at hand at all times. This will make the editing process significantly easier as it is very difficult to go back and fix inconsistencies. My third tip is to keep an uploading schedule since readers like routine, and you want repeat readers. That's what's really going to help you out here. Also, it might be a good idea to keep the length of the chapters or episodes consistent. That way, the price per chapter or episode won't fluctuate too drastically for your reader. Now, the thing that's going to kill this program is writing that can't be taken seriously. I say that noting that mediocrity is rewarded all the time, except when it comes to me, I have to try hard. As tempting as it may be, do not upload first drafts. You want to proofread several times as people are paying for your stories and they won't appreciate typos. As a writer, you want to constantly be improving your skill set by reading traditionally published works to see what's passable. Even though your writing should be done well, the threshold for entertainment is lower than you might expect. But that is no excuse to start slacking. Remember, this could be your resume for a traditional publishing house. Don't forget to indent. That's going to be all for this video, so comment below if you are thinking about or are currently doing Kindle Vella. I already have a story up, but I want to be an anonymous writer, so that's why I don't tell you the name of it. Also, leave a like if you like a video on plotting specifically for Kindle Vella. Thanks again for watching. Bye!